Okay, what do we got here? Honda. Yet another Honda. This one might be a little bit different. Not sure. I'm going to they switched the ignition on a Honda Civic. This one works the ignition right now. Won't start it. So I'm going to try and take the guts out of here and put them in here. I'm going to try. I'm not saying it's going to work. We're going to have a look. See if that'll work. Now, do I have a screwdriver for that? I don't think I do. That's too big. Oh, this is gonna absolutely suck. Oh, this turns it right on. I have to file it down a bit more. That screw is all screwed up. So we're gonna try this. If it works, great. If it doesn't, if it works, great. We'll just give the customer 2 keys for his car, or no, actually 1 key. No, 2. He has to have 2. 1 to open the door. If he doesn't like it, then they'll come back and switch it over. They don't care if the customer has 2 keys or not. But whatever. We'll see what happens here. So it looks like these guts will pop out of here. Oh, bonus. And get put back into here. Would you look at that? Would you just look at that? Look at that. It's not sitting flush because of the tape, maybe. It's sitting better. Oh yeah. Right on. This can go in here for now. He said, let's try the easy way first, and then if it doesn't work, we'll fix it. Whatever. Okay, so that's that. That should work. That should start the car. I wonder if I should go try it. Someone's texting me here. Just my sister. Give this thing a go. Give it a go, mate. it'll shut off here. No. Wiper. Maybe they already switched it. I'm wondering if they switched it already. Because this light flashes. I wonder if it's because of the thing. Well, that sucks. I don't know if the alarm's interfering or what. They already switched it. And that's why that screw came out so easily. But it was full of dirt. So they couldn't have. Maybe they could have. I don't know. I wonder if that thing has interferes with this. That alarm. Try this. This one. See if this does it. We know the alarm works. Same thing. I'm going to put this back in here. This on here. That's that part. That's going to go on here. A little screw. And I think I'm going to try and program it, I guess. See what happens. All right. I won't be able to shut that alarm off, though, I don't think. Go off again as soon as I try and turn the key or something. Just touch the car and it goes off. All right. Honda. Way up in here. So, that's the key. Honda. Auto search. Ignition on. Honda 2011. Blade key. Ignition on. Type of mobilizer. Yes. Oh. No. Key. Let's see here. I'm gonna have to go. All keys lost. Yeah, I'll erase them. 1. Turn ignition off. Turn ignition on. Turn ignition off. Turn ignition on. Turn ignition off. Turn ignition on. Mobilizer out? No. No. I think that alarm's interfering with it. Turn ignition on, switch the original key. Okay. Nothing. Got nothing. I don't know what the hell he did. I wonder if the ignition off. Oops, on. Off. On. Off. On. Mobilize the light out. No. Nothing. I don't know. I'm out of this one, I guess. I'm not really sure what's going on here. I think that alarm has to be shut off first. I'm guessing. I don't know. I've never had that before. Never had that, so I don't know what's going on. Let's shut this off. Power off. And take them the keys and see what happens. Nothing I can do. Wee woo, wee woo. Whoa, whoa. Wee woo. Yeah. No, nothing. Nothing about alarms. So, that's it. He's just standing over here somewhere. I'm gonna go see him and see you guys later.